Hello and welcome to my Giant Rain E+3 unboxing. This is a 2024 model bike which I bought back in November 2024. So the bike comes well packaged in the big box here, and you get this small box with all your instruction manuals. You've got your sealant for your tubeless tyres. You've got various other fixings and whatnot. There's the plastic pedals you get, cable for the charger. You've got all the other bits and bobs that you need. There you go, there's reflectors for the wheels, just to make it road legal, road safe as it would be. But none of that will be going on the bike. For me, this is going to be for trail riding and such like. I'm not going to be riding on the road. Here it comes with the front wheel. The front wheel is off the bike, just saves on packaging size. The rear wheel is fitted to the bike with all the rear mech and everything's on. So this is a mixed wheel size bike, 29 on the front, 27.5 in the back. It's 2.6 inch wide tyres. So you've got Maxxis downhill front and the Maxxis high roller on the rear. That's getting the first indication of the weight of the bike there. It's no lightweight. This bike has the 800 watt hour battery and the Giant Sync Drive Pro 2 85 Newton meter motor. So it is weight wise, it's around about the 25 kilo mark. So it's quite a weight of a bike. As you can see, the handlebars are strapped onto the stanchions of the front forks. So you just got to unwrap everything there and get them bolted on. Watching not to scratch the new paintwork. Everything's really well wrapped up. So you just take a wee bit of time and you just go and scratch something quite easy if you're trying to rush through it. This bike comes with a raw aluminium frame. So it's basically just, there's no paint on the bike, it's just the raw aluminium. You get to see all the detail and the welds and everything. It's quite nice, in my opinion. I'm just going to fit the handlebars here. So this bike has the SR Sun Tour forks on the front, the Durolux 38, 170mm travel. On the rear you've got a Fox Float Evo L shock on there, and it's also got the flip chip suspension adjustment. You can adjust the ride height, which adjusts your head tube angle as well. But I've just left it in the middle position just now, just to see how I get on with the bike and see what works for me. This bike is an enduro bike, which you get the aggressive head tube angle and the extra travel of the suspension. It should be good on the rougher terrain. Also got the dropper post. looking forward to giving it a try in the trails and see how we get on. And I'll catch you in the next video.